Boom, 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 boom.
Hi, my name is Rahma.
And I'm Kareema.
And today we are playing the Wet Head Challenge.
For those who don't know what the Wet Head Challenge is, it's when you spin the spinner and it tells you which pin to pull. And if you're lucky or not, water will spill on you. You go first!
No, I
you're first. No. Fine, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I have 1 point.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yay!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yay!
Okay. So you're first. Okay, please try on the hat.
Take it out. What?
Okay, let's spin it.
Spin the spin.
Pull one pin. Oh my God. I'm so lucky. Okay, I'm taking this off. Dun, dun, dun. Beep. Water. Water. There. Okay, here you go. Stripping. Here. Oh my God. Why is it dripping? Oh my God. See. Pull one. It's already dripping. Oh my God. To my nose! Oh my God. Uh-oh. To the middle. Pull one and spin again. Pull one, yay! I'll take this one. Yay! Okay. Spin again. Scooter! Whee! Please. Pull one pin and spin again. Take this one. Oh no. It's not going out. I don't know if I pulled the right one. Okay, let's do it again. I'll pull one pin. Yay! Okay. Survived. Okay. Pull one and spin again. I'll say this one. No, look up. Let it get under. Okay. That. Last round. Dun dun dun. 1-0. It's my turn. Oh no. Oh no. It's in the middle. Just kidding. Pull one pin and spin again. Ah! Yay! Pull one pin.
Yay. Your turn.
No, idiot.
Okay. Yay. You have to lose. Pull 2 pins. Okay. I'm gonna pick this one.
No!
Is there more? Okay, take off the hat. Makes you look
Still going.
Yay, I win. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave that like and we'll see you on the next one.